If you get a chance, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, tap the little bell. It really helps me get to every country in the world and try more. Okay guys, I'm finally doing it. I'm in the restaurant. The taxi brought me here from Quito. And I'm getting ready to eat some guinea pig. Never thought I'd say that in my life, but it's a delicacy here, and a lot of locals actually don't like it because of the whole, it's a pet thing, and I understand that. But when you're here, you gotta eat like the locals, and you gotta try what they have. So this guy just gave me this drink, chicha. It's really good. It's like a corn drink. He gave it to me just before I get the guinea pig, so we'll see what it's like. I saw them roasting outside. It looks pretty good. I heard they're kind of like chicken. I don't know. We'll see. I just ordered a medium guinea pig, medium cuy. We'll see how it goes. We just got here and it's right in front of me, and I can see parts of the hand and parts of the leg. So here in Ecuadorian culture, they eat guinea pig. They really do. And while that's a little strange to us, it's totally normal to them. And I just took my first bite. So she told me how to hold it, and she said kind of pretend they're ribs. The skin is really, really tough. Honestly, it's really hard to eat, and I keep hitting bones. But it kind of tastes like chicken. It's really good. People told me it tastes like chicken, kind of, but it's a little richer. It's got more of a flavor. I would definitely come eat this again. It's a really good meat. I'm not one to eat guinea pig, but this place is really good. And that's it, guys. I just ate a guinea pig. And let me tell you, when you come to Ecuador, you should come here too. It might make some people a little uncomfortable, but trust me, it's delicious. Eat like the locals. Always do it. They know best. See you later. If you get a chance, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, tap the little bell. It really helps me get to every country in the world and try more exotic foods.